There we go. There's our first fish. Just let it sink on in that pool. And it is a chunky largemouth bass. Well, we got our first fish of the day, which is not the species we were after, but never hurts to have a nice, large, chunky largemouth bass. So we'll go ahead and send it off. Looks like someone left a little plastic minnow thing. Some hits, fish on. Another great little rock bass. Got him right in the top of the mouth. Fish in here are pretty thick. He's got a nice big belly on him. Another great little rock bass. Now, since we've only caught one largemouth and two rock bass, let's go on ahead and find a different hole. Just cast it on in. Look at that. That is a nice. Oh! Nice, healthy bluegill right here. And he swam off just fine. So as you can see, the worm is really one of the most versatile baits that's going to catch you every species in the river. And you guys, would you look at the colors on this fish? I'm assuming this is some kind of hybrid between like a green sunfish, or maybe it's a red ear. I'm pretty sure it's a red ear, but very pretty fish. This is species number 4, a beautiful little red ear sunfish. Swims off into those rocks just fine. Worm's still holding on. And typically, when I'm using a hook, I like to use a long shank panfish hook. And the reason for the long shank is sometimes the fish can get it kind of deep down in them. And the long shank gives you a good thing to grab onto with your pliers if you need to. And look at this. Ouch. Another beautiful panfish. And that's exactly what I was just saying. So this guy swallowed it a little bit. I mean, not bad to where it's gonna harm him, but deep enough to where it's hard to get out with your fingers. So with the long shank, it gives you a nice long area to pinch with your pliers to get it out. He does not want to open his mouth to let me show you guys. So we're gonna get a quick release on him. Swims down just fine.